How to enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to your profile page. Once you're over here, at the top right corner, you're gonna find 3 bars. Click on that. Now head over to the section Account Center. Under that, you're gonna find different option. Click on the option Password and Security. Now click on the option Two-Factor Authentication. Click on your Instagram username. Now from here, you can easily enable 2FA. You can select Authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp. Select the option of your choice. So I have selected SMS or WhatsApp. Click on Next. Now here you'll need to type in the phone number. Select the country code, type in your phone number and click on Next. With that, you will be receiving code in your phone number. Once you enter that code, you have just enabled 2FA using your WhatsApp or the SMS. Next up, if you use Authentication app, you'll get one-time code from an app such as Duo Mobile or Google Authenticator. Once you enter that code, with that, you'll be able to access your Instagram. Without that code, you won't get access to your Instagram. So this is how you can enable two-factor authentication on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.